Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Anissa Lutfi SPD MPD, selaku dosen pembimbing kedua atas nama mahasiswa Dinda Olivia yang saat ini akan melakukan sidang proposal skripsi dengan judul Pengaruh Kualitas Pelayanan dan Citra Merek terhadap Loyalitas Pelanggan melalui kepuasan pelanggan pada pengguna Maxim di Jakarta. Saya akan membacakan abstrak yang sudah penulis susun. Penelitian ini bertujuan untuk menguji dan menganalisis pengaruh kualitas pelayanan dan citra merek terhadap loyalitas pelanggan dengan kepuasan pelanggan sebagai variabel mediasi pada pengguna Maxim di Jakarta. Populasi penelitian ini adalah seluruh pengguna Maxim di Jakarta. Sampel yang digunakan sebanyak 211 responden. Penelitian ini merupakan penelitian kuantitatif dengan menggunakan data yang diperoleh dari kuesioner yang diisi secara online oleh responden. Data diolah dengan menggunakan SPSS dan AMOS. Demikianlah abstrak yang sudah peneliti susun. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dinda Olivia from Business Education 2018. Today I will explain about my research proposal entitled Effect of Service Quality and Their Image on Customer Loyalty Through Customer Satisfaction on Maxim Users in Jakarta. The first I will talk about my research problem. Is service quality is the first element that every consumer pays attention to when wanting to use a product or service. If the service desired by consumers exceeds expectations, then the quality of service is perceived as good. Conversely, if the service desired is not as expected, then the service quality is perceived as bad and this causes no customer satisfaction. This happened to Maxim, who still receives many complaints from their users. Complaints received by Maxim resulted in decreased reviews and ratings given by consumers and caused customer dissatisfaction. This can be seen when consumers give negative reviews to Maxim. With the negative reviews obtained, it showed that Maxim has not been able to meet the level of satisfaction from its users as expressed by Gultom 2020. Is customer satisfaction means a comparison between what consumers expect and what consumers feel when using the product. In addition to service quality, brand image is also something that must be considered in meeting customer satisfaction. To become an online transportation application that is in great demand by consumers, Maxim must be able to develop its company's brand image so that it can compete with other companies. Judging from the brand image contained in Maxim, Maxim is still less attractive to online transportation users. This can be proven by the results of a survey conducted by Media 2022 is the most used online transportation application is Gojek, and the second position is Grab, and Maxim in the third position, and the last position is InDriver and others online transportation application. Next is based on the survey, it is predicted that Maxim will find it difficult to shift to the dominance of its competitors, even though it offers lower rates. And economics and at the Institute for Development of Economics and Finance, Bima Yudhistira said that to shift the dominance of its competitors, Maxim had to partner with many merchants. In addition, in the midst of its efforts to compete with its competitors, Maxim is not only focused on finding potential customers, but Maxim must be able to evaluate and correct deficiencies, problems, as well as negative responses from consumers, so that consumers who have used Maxim can use Maxim again and are committed to always using the Maxim application. This is in line with Hack's statement 2020. It is regarding loyalty is a customer's commitment to hold in that to subscribe or make purchase or transactions of selected products or services consistently in the future. The next slide is about my research question. Next is about my research purpose. And the next slide is my theoretical background according to expert. The first is customer royalty according to Hayati 2020. Loyalty is defined as word of mouth recommendation and the possibility of increasing brand strength as well as purchasing goods or service offered by a company. Next is customer satisfaction by Sudari 2019. Sudari said customer satisfaction is consumer feelings about product performance where consumers have expectation about the product and feel satisfied if product performance exceeds consumer expectation. The third is of service quality according to Parasuraman Impact Pahans Research 2022. Parasuraman said to measure service quality there are tangibles, reliability, responsiveness, assurance, and empathy. The last is brand image according to Song 2019. Song said brand image is a set of customer beliefs, ideas, and impressions of a brand. Next slide is relevant research according to previous research. First is according to research conducted by Aftanor Han 2019, the results show that service quality has a significant impact on customer satisfaction. Next is according to research conducted by Dam and Dam 2021, the results of the study confirm that brand image has a positive impact on customer satisfaction and customer loyalty. Next is research conducted by FIDA 2020 describes a significant relationship between the three variables is service quality, customer satisfaction, and customer loyalty. Next, research conducted by Sharma 2020 revealed that brand image affects customer loyalty with and without customer satisfaction and service intervention. Next is according to research conducted by Dam and Dam 2021, it reveals that customer satisfaction has a positive relationship with customer loyalty. Next is according to research conducted by Hawaja 2021, findings show that service quality and perceived value influence customer satisfaction, while satisfaction fully mediates the relationship between perceived value and brand loyalty. The last is according to research conducted by Mehta and Torik 2020, customer satisfaction plays a mediating role between brand image, perceived service quality, and customer loyalty. Next slide. Here's my research design and my hypothesis. The first hypothesis is service quality has a positive and significant effect on customer satisfaction. The second is brand image has a positive and significant effect on customer satisfaction. The third is service quality has a positive significant effect on customer loyalty. The fourth is brand image has a positive and significant effect on customer loyalty. The fifth is customer satisfaction has a positive and significant effect on customer loyalty. The sixth is service quality has a positive and significant effect on customer loyalty, which is mediated by customer satisfaction. And the last is brand image has a positive and significant effect on customer loyalty, which is mediated by customer satisfaction. The next slide is about my research methods. The time and place is start from November 2022 until July 2023 in Jakarta. My research design is quantitative research methods with survey methods. The population is online transportation users in Jakarta, and the sample is respondents are at least 17 years old and live in Jakarta. Next is my research instrument for service quality. Next is my research instrument for brand image. And next slide is my research instrument for customer loyalty, and the last is my research instrument for customer satisfaction. Next, I will talk about my data analysis technique. I will use three techniques is validity test, reliability test, and hypothesis test. My validity test the validity test is said to be valid if exploited EVA with map factor loading more than 0.4, and the reliability test is said to be reliable if the convex alpha is more than 0.7. And the last, my hypothesis test is testing using a mouse with criteria of goodness of fit is if probabilitas more than 0.05, the RN is EA is less than 0.08, the GFI is more than 0.19 point, the AGFI is more than 0.19, the CMIIN or the F is less than 2, the TLI is more than 0.95, the GFI is more than 0.95, the RM is SEA is less than 0.08, the GFI is more than 0.90, and the AGFI is more than 0.90. Thank you for your attention. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.